Sharing your Shopify products on Facebook is a great way to reach more customers and drive traffic to your store. Here's how you can do it. Connect Shopify with Facebook. Log into your Shopify admin panel. Go to Sales Channels on the left-hand side, then click Facebook. Follow the instructions to connect your Facebook account to your Shopify store. This will allow you to sync products with your Facebook shop and create shoppable posts. Enable Facebook Shop. In the Facebook Sales Channel, enable Facebook Shop. This will allow your Shopify products to appear directly in your Facebook shop, making it easy for people to browse and purchase directly on Facebook. You can choose to display specific collections or all of your products on Facebook. Share products on Facebook. Once your products are synced, you can manually share them by going to the product section in your Shopify admin. Select the product you want to share, copy the product URL, and paste it into a Facebook post or story. Add the caption and any promotional text and click Post. Use Facebook ads. You can also run Facebook ads to promote specific products directly from Shopify by using the Facebook Ads Manager.